Okay, let me say good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Larson.
Today we're doing a new blend. It's S and T. What sound do you think that makes? Sta. Yeah, S-T. So I'm going to add it. Oh, wow, we are getting a lot of blends, aren't we? Let's add it to our chart. We have wa, fla, sh, pra, cra, ch, gla, tra, sla, and sta. So I have a spinner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the spinner up here so we can review our blends, and I'm going to spin it, and if we're going to see if it points to the sta, or maybe the sla, or maybe tra. That was a blend we did. Or maybe it's going to point to gla. And the spinner will be right in the middle. And if it gets between these lines, there we go. That way you can see. All right, let's have Kalia and Rice come first. Rice, go ahead and spin. Or Kalia, go ahead and spin. She got a gla. Thank you. Rice, your turn. Let's see what Ricey gets. Rice got he got a gla. That means there's 2 for gla. All right, thank you. Let's have Mana and Mahina come. Ooh, so which one had the most spins? I think the gla. I think the gla is the one that had the most, huh? But today we're doing this one, and what is it? Sta. So I'm thinking it's something in the sky that has a sta, and it shines, not as bright as the moon, but it does shine. Not as bright as the sun. A star has an ST. So stand up in your cloud, and Mana, just find a cloud, and we're going to pass it to a friend. Look at your friends, and you can just pass it to anyone. So Sage, I'm going to have you pass it first. You can just toss it to anyone. Okay, ready? And we'll sing, catch a falling, go ahead, toss it. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Stop. Ooh, Kaya was the one on stop. It's out on Kaya. Okay, you can toss it anywhere around so you don't have to go in order, just anywhere. So Kaya, you have to step out for that one because it landed on you. So like this. Go ahead, anywhere you want. Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Never let it fade away. Stop. Oh, Ethan's out. Now Kaya's back in. Never let it fade away. Stop. Oh, it's on Bella, but we're actually going to stop right there. Stay in your clouds and sit down. Because I have a story. And this story is about a storm. Yeah, sometimes bad storms happen, huh? Once there was a terrible storm. Huge tornadoes stooped down and blew houses up and away. Sadly, many trees blew away in the tornado, and many were left with only their stumps above the ground. Heavy rains flooded every street. Sticks and debris covered the roads. Big waves crashed over the streets. They broke off big pieces of blacktop and made it impossible for cars to travel and escape. Big stones fell off the mountain and blocked traffic. No streets were sturdy or stable for driving through. Many families were stranded with nowhere to go. They were unprepared and had no food or water, and many people would be starving until the storm left. Stanley and his family were hiding in their house. They were prepared. They had flashlights, batteries, food and water, and plenty of warm blankets. It was a scary storm. It seemed like it would never stop. Suddenly, all the lights went out, and the wind made a screeching sound. Mom got out candles and put them around the house so it wouldn't be dark and scary. Stanley was a big boy. He was 5 years old. He was very brave during the storm. He helped with his little brother and his baby sister. Stanley tried to make them happy. He put the flashlight under his chin and made funny faces. This style of playfulness made his brother and baby sister laugh instead of crying and being scared. Stanley told his brother comforting stories and read his favorite books. Stories kept everyone's mind off the danger. It made time go by quickly. It made it fun. So they told stories. Stanley even changed his stinky baby sister's diaper to help his mommy out. He was a big helper. Dad tried to listen to the radio to get some news of the storm, but all they could hear was static. They would have to be patient and wait. It was an endurance of strong will and strength to stand still when the storm is raging outside. Suddenly, Stanley stared out the window and he saw a sign of hope. It was a star twinkling in the distance. "Look, everyone," he screamed. "It's a star. The clouds are going away. You can see stars." His family all came running to the window. They hugged each other, and everyone stared at the star of hope. The storm would soon stop. Mom hugged Stanley and said, "Thank you, son, for being my shining star today. You stayed strong and sturdy and really helped out with your brother and baby sister, even when they were scared." Stanley's stomach gave a loud grumble. His stomach was louder than the storm. The whole family laughed. "Come on, let's get you something to eat." "Make it a steak," Stanley yelled. It would be okay, because storms go away and stars come back. The end. Did you hear some ST things, Mahina? The stumps, you mean? The stumps of the trees? Stammered? Stammered. Okay, stammered. Well, think about that one. Kaya? Storm. She said storm. Kalia? Not the tree, but the stumps. The stump. What else, Sage? He was starving. Yeah, your stomach's hungry. And stomach and star. And Mana, what else? The star of hope. What was this thing that was going on around them? It was a storm. Ooh, and something fell off the mountains. Stones. And some people were stranded. Yeah, let's see, he read something to his baby brother. A story. And there was something on the radio that you couldn't hear, the radio. Static. That was a hard one. Oh, I think you guys did a lot of ST ones. A whole lot. So I want to write some of the words up that we are learning that start with ST. So, no, sword doesn't have a ST. So, storm does. Storm does, though. Let's say storm. Everyone say S-T-O-R-M. And the storm could be a tornado. It could be a lot of rain. It could be trees falling down. You saw their stumps. And the tree had fallen down and was all broken. That's our storm. And they saw a star. Everyone say S-T-A-R. Star. So star is a good sign of hope up. Well, we're going to play a storm game. And for this storm game, I'm going to have some of our friends up over on the sides. And we're going to do a snowstorm. Then we're going to do a rainstorm. So I'm going to give a few of you some snowballs. And I'm going to have our friends run from that side of the room to the other side. And when they run by, you'll have a couple snowballs. You can try and, like the storm is getting snow on them. All right, so let's have, sitting over here, we'll have Rice and Kaya sit over here. Ethan right there. And over here, let's see, Kalia can sit right there. And you three girls over there. You two girls over there by the TV. Mahina and Bella by the TV. All right, I'm going to give you each 2 snowballs. Don't throw them yet. But when your friends run by, you can try and pelt them with some snowballs that are falling. You can take these crunched up snowballs. No, they're going to just try and throw it at you. It won't hurt though, because guess what? You guys will have some protection. Sometimes if you're prepared for the storm, they're going to have an umbrella. This one's a little broken, but it still works. It just has that. Yeah, that is your one. You're going to have an umbrella, so you could use this umbrella to try and get off the storm and stay safe so your head doesn't get hit with the snowballs. When I say storm, they're going to run across, and you guys are going to try and get them, all right? Ready as storm, run! Run to the other side, girls, run! Run! Woo! Run for the storm! All right, okay, get your snowballs. I'm going to pick up all the snowballs. Can you put it inside? And now we're going to have a rainstorm. All right, this is how we're going to do our rainstorm now. It's raining. When they come by, we're going to be squirting them with a little bit of water. Can you two girls share that one? And so you're going to squirt on the way this way, and then Bella on the way that way. Are you ready for the rainstorm?
Yeah.
Ready, run through the rainstorm! Woo! All right, now give it to your partner. We're actually going to stop there because we don't have that much time, but I'll put the rain in here. Put the rain in here, please. All right, I want you to look this way because I'm going to write another ST word. Let's see if you know what it is. Everyone say S T O R K. Stork. Stork. So there is a stork. Here is his beak. He has a long beak. And what are storks known for? They have long wings.
That's a bird.
Yeah, it's a bird. Storks are birds. And what do storks do? What do storks do?
Fly.
And they usually carry something in their...
Baby.
Oh, babies. They carry the little baby. So we're going to play a little stork game. I'm going to pretend like these are storks. And they have some babies, but we can't peek inside, but you can feel it. And these storks are going to pretend like they're carrying the babies to their mommies. But the only thing is the stork doesn't know which baby it is. So we're going to see if maybe they can carry it to the right mommy. They might not get it right, and then we might have to switch it. So I'm going to have some people be the stork, and some people be the babies. I'll line you up over here. I need 5 friends. Rice, come sit on the seat. And you sit right there since you're there. These 5 can stay right here. All right, you're the mommies and daddies. You're going to be the horse. You're going to be the elephant mommy. You're going to be a giraffe mommy. You're going to be a zebra daddy. And you're going to be a mommy cow. All right, the other 4 of you, I want you to come over here with Mrs. Wesson because you're going to take turns with these. Okay, when the stork places the baby in front of you, don't open it yet. When all the babies are delivered, we're going to open it and see if we got the right baby to the right mommy and daddy. So let me get the stork song, and we're going to see if the storks can deliver it. Did the storks kind of touch it? Kind of feel it? So maybe you might know what baby it is. Touch it with your hands and think, I wonder which mommy or daddy I should give this to. Just be thinking about it. All right, go ahead. Wait. Hurry up. Wait, it's not your turn. You know this. All right, now Leah's turn. Let's see what you got. You got a giraffe, baby, for a zebra? What did the stork bring you? He's like, going back to the giraffe. You got the right one. What'd you get? He got the right daddy one too. And which one did you get, Vada? Open it up, Vada. Rip it. She got the right one too. Wow, the storks did pretty good. There was only storks. Give yourselves a high five. Storks did a great job. Good job, storks. Woo! Good job. Everyone clap for the storks. And I'll take all the storks and we'll put them in here. I have something else that starts with ST. It was going to be sticky hand, but I couldn't find sticky hands, so sticky eyeballs. And sticky eyeballs. And I'm going to put an ST up here, and we're going to try and aim for the ST. In this big circle is our ST sticky icky. And I'm going to have 2 people stand from the sun. Mana's right there, so Mana can stay there. And they're going to try and aim in that ST circle. So Mana, stand up first. It's very sticky. And Ethan, stand up. All right, when I say sticky, they're both going to throw it. Are you 2 ready? Look this way, Ethan. Look at the ST. Ready and sticky. Oh, he threw it on Royce's head. All right, go get it. Go give it to someone else. We'll put those stickies right there. And erase this. Because I think you're all going to know the next ST one. Sometimes when you're traveling on the road, you see this ST.
A stop sign.
Ooh, how do we spell stop? S-T-O-P. Stop. And I have a stop, go activity. And then we'll do our work. Stop has an ST. And go. Stop and go. So we'll have 4 of our friends. Sage, Kalia, Rice, and Emerson, stand over there.
9.
When she says stop, they stop and they have to freeze. When she says go, they try and get to her first. Okay? Ready? Go ahead. Go! Stop! If we see you moving, you have to go back, right? Go ahead. Go! Stop! Go! Stop! Go! Go! Okay, I think Kalia got there first. All right, you guys go sit down and you guys come up here. Now go ahead and scoot back to your spots. You were good at stop and go. Stop and go. So we're going to do a sentence mix-up. I need Sage in her spot. I have the word bright is the star. Bright is the star. How can we say it a little bit better? Sage, you think you can do it for us? Can you unscramble it? The, oh, thank you. The is. How about the star? The star is bright. Does that make better sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have stops, storm, the. Does that make sense?
No.
It's supposed to make sense. All right, here I come unscrambling. Stop, storm, the. What should it say? She has the storm stops. Does that make sense now?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. You guys are good at unscrambling it. So we are going to be writing our ST, but before we write our ST, I want you to make a sentence. Doesn't have to be one of these, but it could be any of your own. What can we say either using stop, storm, star, storm, sticky? Rice, what's a good sentence? Storks have babies, bring babies? I like that. Storks bring babies. Everyone say S, T, O, R, K, S. Storks bring B, R, I, N, G. Bring babies. Everyone say B, A, B, I, E, S. Period. Storks bring babies. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Is that a ST?
Yeah.
Oh. You're going to come up here and I want to see your ST. Okay, let's have Kalia come make an ST. Sage can make an ST. Mana can make an ST. Okay, then they're going to give to their friends. All right, look up here. Everyone say color, cut, and glue.
Color, cut, and glue.
So we have star, knife, stool, and store. We're going to cut out these STs. Which one should it go to? Which one should it not be on though? The knife. Thank you. You can sit down. And then we have 2 rows for our sentence. You can do your whatever sentence you want. The star is bright. The storm stops. The stork brings babies. Or you can create your own. Everyone look at our friends and say, bye, friends!
Bye, friends!